Namaste everybody. So you are most welcome to the Himalayan mountain. It's a 4,000 above from the sea level, and you can see behind Himalayan mountain covered with the ice and snow. So here let's practice for Bhastrika Pranayama, and also it will teach us how to keep warm, how to rise your sun through the Bhastrika, how to activate your fire internal. So before that, let's chant Om 3 times. A great salute to universe. So both hand upon the knees, and now let's practice deep inhale and deep exhale to clean your nose and get ready for Bhastrika Pranayama. So Bhastrika Pranayama known as fire breath or known as the bellow breath. But before that, 6 times deep inhale and deep exhale to purpose to clean the nose and warm up the inner organs. So now deep inhale. So it was the 6th time, and let's clean the nose. So now, Bhastrika Pranayama is known as those person have high blood pressure or any surgery operation of the heart, they shouldn't do it, or a person have any serious problem with the respiratory system shouldn't do it. But my opinion of the view, everyone can do it, but their physical level, their mental level, their energetic level. Only if person have any heart surgery operation or high blood pressure, they shouldn't force or shouldn't do so much strong. They can do the gentle one. So let's start with basic level for all kind of human being, for all kind of the people. Bhastrika Pranayama not only burn the physical cough or mucus, coldness, also is burn your mental unnecessary thought, also is activate your chakras, energetic level. So now let's do here Bhastrika. So I will do here simple and basic one first, and then counting will be with the here like this. So now let's do the smaller ratio. Now deep inhale. So it was only 12 times, 1 round, deep inhale and deep exhale. So Bhastrika means the bellow breath. So deep is strong, deep inhale with the forcefully and exhale with the forcefully quicker and faster. So now let's do again second round for 12 times of the ratio. So now here. It was now the second round of Bhastrika of the beginner level, or 12 time of inhale and exhale ratio. Now let's do the third round of the Bhastrika with the inhale and exhale and the basic level of the Bhastrika Pranayama. So now here, let's do it. So now it was the third round of Bhastrika Pranayama of the basic level. So also you can practice 6 round, 12 round, 80 round and 24 round, and you can do the more. And then this way also you can do this breathing, this technique before the meditation, which also make your mind calm and peace and relax. Now let's do the intermediate level. I will show you it goes a little bit faster, but I will do only the 12 times, the keep the ratio same. You can count with the fingers here. So now here let's do. So now So it was the intermediate level, the Bhastrika Pranayama, the Bellows Breath. So you can feel that cleansing your head, your brain, cleansing your respiratory and cleansing your nose. Now let's do the second round of intermediate level. So now again here. So now it was the second round of the intermediate level of Bhastrika Pranayama. So now continue, let's do the third round of the intermediate level. So now deep inhale and So now it was the third round of intermediate level of Bhastrika Pranayama, the Bellows Breath, which really cleans your body, mind and energetic system. So now here the advanced level. It goes a little bit more faster, which be aware about those person have heart disease or heart surgery operation. But also this breathing can do before the meditation or purpose to clean the obesity, cough and mucus of the lungs and chest, and is really work for the losing weight and cough and mucus and more. So now let's do again I will do the ratio of the 12. Now, but with the advanced level, little bit more faster here. So now, so again it was the first round of the Bhastrika, but the advanced level movement faster. Now let's do the second round again here. Now, it was the second round of the Bhastrika of the advanced level, which where you make your mind calm and peace and thoughtlessness. Now, let's do the third round of the Bhastrika here, the third advanced level movement. Now, inhale. Now, so it was the third round, advanced level Bhastrika, the Bellows Breath. And now, so you can choose basic level, intermediate level, advanced level. So we have done 3 round, 3 round, 3 round. But you can practice 6 round, 12 round, 18 round and 24 round of the each. Now continue, let's do how to use the 3 locks. So 3 lock, if you know, then only you do it, because also it's have contraindication. If person have high blood pressure, don't do Jalandhar Bandh. If pregnant woman, don't do the Udyan Bandh. If person have pelvic issue, don't do the Mool Bandh. So it goes internal 3 locks. So now again I will make the ratio of the 12 now. So deep inhale. Release your Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh. Now let's do the second round again. Release your Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh. And now, third round. Inhale. Release your Mool Bandh, Dhyan Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh. So this way we have done the 3 rounds with the retention with the lock. So please keep practicing 6 round, 12 round, 18 round and 24 round of the each. So also is during the winter, cold weather, it's also the burn your toxins from the physical, mental and energetic. So get the benefits from the universe and keep practicing Bhastrika Pranayama, which is known as the Bellows Breath. Also you can do before the meditation, which really make your mind calm and peace. So let's chant Om and prayer before completing that pranayama. So both hand upon the chest. So you can meditate hand upon the chest into the prayer. You can meditate into the gesture of lotus which work for the heart chakras. Also you can meditate into the Shiva Lingam, gesture of Shiva Lingam, or you can meditate into the gesture of the Brahmanjali Mudra, gesture of Lord Brahma. And then you can meditate 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes. After that, both hand upon the chest and let's chant Om 3 times. Great, thanks to universe. Rub your palms, put upon the eyes, open and close your eyes underneath the palms. Now thanks everybody and thanks to universe.